how's it going? Phil here. So, I think at a certain point in your content marketing game, it becomes necessary to consider offering video as a way to explain your client's products, services in a meaningful way, and as a way to bolster your digital marketing efforts as well. So, I'm going to walk you through the way I produce scripting and scripts for my video editors, be it internal or external, and how to produce better videos in general. Hopefully you can follow my workflow, and I'm going to share that workflow with you. So if that sounds good, let's get started. All right, so as we mentioned, we're trying to create a script for an explainer type video, and either we want to write a really killer script for ourselves, or we want to write a killer script for freelancer video editor. So give them a brief overview. I have one. I'm kind of cheating. I'm working from a completed document. So give the video editor an overview of what the objectives are. And I just said this is for my product video, right? So we are a new digital marketing product that helps marketing agencies nail Google Analytics and reporting on their site. Let's talk about how we help the customer. The references, always include references for your videographer or your editor so they can see what you're going for. I'm a big fan of Loom, so ideally when you're done, record yourself walking through this script, right? I'm just laying down the basic elements of all the things that I find help my video editor create to their best abilities, right? And an assets folder. Here within my organization, we do Google Drive. So send all the assets that the creator would need in one central location so they're not running around looking for stuff. So think of your explainer video like a movie. So this is scene 1, slide 1. So all your visual elements in a scene will remain the same even if the slide is changing. I'll show you what I mean. So this is like an intro splash, I called it on my other document. And I've got links to the assets, but I put links to the asset that I want in the background. So scene 1, slide 1, videographer is going to grab the assets and put it here. Then I'm going to put some written text for the editor to add. So we can remove that. So the things in quotations is what I want the videographer to add is written text above this imagery here. That's it for scene 1. And we're just going to keep building, right? I'm going to do a few of these so you can see progress. But again, assets. It's linked to the specific asset that you want your visual person to put in here. And then write the written language that you want over it. Oh, by the way, I didn't mention it. You should provide the sound inside the assets folder, but in this one, there's no sound because Phil's going to talk over it in the end. So, quick side note. Scene 2, we're still in the same scene, so we want the same visual element. And we just want a new slide. Right? And then 2, 3, we want the same visual element because we're still in scene 2. And we want this text to be showing up. All right, so you see the formatting. I'm just going scene, slide, visual element, and written text. So surprise, I've already written this thing. Feel free to take my format and use it, but I've already written this thing. So here's the final video that I created using this format. And I hope this video format has helped you. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any remarks or questions on this process, I think this can be used for you to help out your video production to the next level. Thank you so much for watching, and feel free to check out the video that we've produced using this in a following video. Thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye.